If you're struggling to make your brand stand out in a crowded market, you're not alone. The digital landscape is overflowing with content, making it hard to grab your audience's attention. In this video, we're going straight into the heart of how to create a corporate video that not only captures attention, but also drives real marketing results. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, I've got you covered. Let's get right into it. So creating a standout corporate marketing video boils down to 4 key steps: planning, production, post-production, and distribution. Each step is crucial in shaping a video that not only resonates with your audience, but also aligns perfectly with your marketing goals. So let's break these down. First up is planning. This is where the magic starts. It's all about laying a solid foundation for your video. Without a clear plan, even the most visually stunning video can miss the mark. So how do we get this right? It begins with 2 crucial questions. What's your goal? And who are you talking to? Your video's objective could range from boosting brand awareness to driving sales or educating your audience about a new product. Clarity here guides your content, ensuring that it's crafted to achieve that specific outcome. Equally important is knowing your audience inside and out. Who are they? What challenges do they face? And what solutions are they seeking? Understanding your audience's needs and preferences allows you to create content that speaks directly to them, making your video more engaging and effective. Each marketing goal calls for a different approach. Here are some video types tailored to specific objectives. Consider creating a compelling company story video. This isn't just about what you sell, but who you are. Share your mission, your values, and the story behind your brand. It's about making a connection that sticks with your audience long after they've watched your video. For launching a new product or service, a dynamic explainer video works wonders. Highlight the problem that it solves, its unique features, and its benefits. Make it clear, concise, and focused on how it improves the viewer's life or work. Nothing builds trust like hearing directly from satisfied customers. A testimonial video showcasing real stories and experiences can significantly boost credibility and persuade potential customers to take the leap. If your goal is to educate, a how-to video or a series of tutorials can position your brand as a helpful authority in your field. Teach something valuable. You'll not only engage your audience, but you'll also encourage shares and saves. Give your audience a peek at behind the curtain with a behind-the-scenes video. Whether it's a day in the life at your company, the making of a product, or event preparations, these videos humanize your brand and build a deeper connection. Now, these are just a few ideas to get you started, but the possibilities are endless. The key is to align the video type with your marketing goals and what your audience loves to watch. Experiment, analyze, and refine. That's the path to video marketing success. Now that we've sparked some inspiration with the video ideas, what about gear? Don't worry, you don't need a Hollywood budget to create professional looking videos. Let's talk about the essentials. At the core of your setup, you'll need just 2 things: a smartphone and a good microphone. Your smartphone's camera is powerful enough to shoot high quality video, especially with the right techniques. Pair it with a quality microphone like the ATR2100X to ensure audio is just as clear as your visuals. This mic is a favorite for its affordability and performance, making it a perfect choice. Now let's make sure you're getting the best out of your equipment with a couple quick tips. Good lighting can make a huge difference. Wherever possible, use natural light by positioning yourself or the subject in front of a window. If natural light isn't an option, a simple LED ring light can brighten your shots without breaking the bank. Clear audio is a non-negotiable. Try to shoot in quiet environments to minimize background noises. Remember, the ATR2100X or any similar mic should be positioned close to the speaker for the best sound capture. With just your smartphone, a reliable microphone, and these filming tips, you're equipped to produce videos that look and sound great. Remember, it's not about having the most expensive gear, it's about using what you have effectively. When it comes to creating high quality video content, it is more accessible than you might think, thanks to platforms like Riverside. Riverside simplifies the video creation process, whether you're flying solo or you're bringing in guests for testimonials or interviews. Here's how easy it is to get started. First, connect any equipment that you'll be using to your computer. This could be as simple as your built-in webcam and a microphone, or you can use your phone as a webcam. I will link a video above on how to do that. Riverside lets you select your equipment right in the lobby to make sure that everything is set up and ready to record. Inviting people is super easy. You just send them this link, or you can invite them by email, and they'll show up beside you similar to a Google Meet or a Zoom call. You can also use this script feature to add your script. When you're ready to record, you would simply press record. After recording, you'll have access to high-quality video and audio files ready for download, or you can take advantage of Riverside's built-in editor to piece your content together, add branding, and polish your video. With Riverside, the technical hurdles of video production become a thing of the past. It's all about focusing on your message and letting the platform handle the rest. Creating your corporate video is just the beginning. The next crucial step is getting it in front of the right eyes. The best platform for your video often depends on the type of content you created and your marketing goals. Here's a quick guide to help you make the best choice. LinkedIn is ideal for B2B companies or any business content that's professional in nature. It's the go-to for company story videos, thought leadership, and educational content aimed at professionals. YouTube is the world's second largest search engine, so it's perfect for longer form content like explainer videos, how-tos, and customer testimonials. It's also great for SEO, helping your video get found by a wider audience. For shorter, more visually engaging content, Instagram and TikTok are your best bets. Think behind-the-scenes clips, quick tips, or even short versions of your customer testimonials. These platforms excel at reaching a younger demographic. Still a powerhouse for video content, Facebook works well for almost any type of video. It's particularly effective for storytelling and connecting with the community, thanks to its sharing features and the ability to create dedicated company pages. Now, don't forget about your own digital real estate. Hosting videos on your website can boost engagement, improve SEO, and provide a controlled environment for your audience to learn more about your offerings. Remember that the key to successful video distribution is not just about choosing the right platform, it's also about tailoring your content to fit the platform's unique audience and format. And wherever you post, make sure your video is optimized for search with relevant keywords, a compelling title, and an engaging description. Track your video's performance across platforms, engage with your viewers, and don't be afraid to adjust your strategy based on feedback and analytics. The world of corporate video marketing is ever evolving, and staying adaptable is the key to success. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the Riverside YouTube channel for more content like this. And don't forget to press that bell icon so you're notified every time we post new content. Thanks for hanging out with me today. My name is Bridget, and I'll catch you in the next video.